So I've decided that I'm going to learn you guys in every video a new word from my language, that is Papiamento from the island Curaçao. I'm going to learn you in every video a new word, okay? Okay. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you a pretty simple set, easy to do, but it's simple, it's easy, but you have to know some tips and tricks. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to get you the perfect manicure look French nails. I have more videos of French nails, but this is like a short one. So that's why I wanted to share this video also with you guys. And before we go on and watch this video, I really want to thank you guys so much. You would never understand how much all your comments mean to me. They really motivate me to keep on going and to keep make more videos for you guys. And I love that I can inspire you, some of you guys, and that you can inspire me. So it's, thank you so much for that. I really want you guys to know that I love all your comments, because we will be picking a winner today. Yes, we are going to pick a winner from the giveaway that I'm going to do from my 30k giveaway. So thank you guys so much. I have to say that I just did not expect so many of you guys enter my giveaway. I didn't expect that, but I want you guys to know that I've read every single one of your comments, and it inspired me so much to keep on going and to help you guys and to give you guys some tips and tricks that can help you guys to get better at doing nails. Thank you so much for your support, and I really want you guys to know that I read and appreciate every single one of you guys and every single one of your comments, okay? So yeah, you guys, because I didn't expect that so many people would enter my giveaway, I think it's fair to go on a comment picker to pick a winner for this giveaway. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick my phone. I'm going to do it on my phone. I will make a screenshot for you guys of my screen so you can see what I'm doing. I will start it now, so I will put it somewhere here in the screen so you can see. So yeah, you guys, I'm going on comment picker, YouTube comment picker. Let me see what you have to do. You have to enter your YouTube URL and filter comment based on a specific text. I will be done because I asked you guys to enter done, and we are going to do a YouTube. So 182 people entered my giveaway, so I think it's a lot. I didn't expect that. So once again, thank you so much for that. So what I have to do is start, and we will get a winner. I'm excited. Good luck, you guys, good luck. So I will show you who will be the winner. Okay, I'm going to press on start. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. Brittany, I hope I spell your name right. Brittany Wallen, you are the winner of the giveaway. Girl, you are the ganador. That's in Papiamento. Ganador, you are the ganador, the winner of our giveaway. You got, girl, congratulations. Contact me on my Instagram, on my email, what you want. Contact me on my Instagram. Let me see if I see your Instagram. No. So no, girl, go ahead and send me a DM on my Instagram, and so I can send you your giveaway, girl. Congratulations, you guys. Okay, so yeah, you guys, before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, follow, share, like, everything, all the good stuff, and then go ahead and watch this video. So okay, you guys, the first thing I want to do is to apologize for my crusty, dusty ass hands. Sorry for that. Since the coronavirus, I'm washing my hands so much, so my hands are really dry. Sorry for that. But yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm forming the nail bed. And you guys, I really have to say that this is the most important step to get the perfect smile line and the perfect French. So I'm forming the nail bed. I work with a weather bead when I'm forming the nail bed, so I have time to shape the nail bed as I like them to be. I really like them, like the smile line to be at the sides, deep at the sides, so when you're going to apply the white or the color that you want to use, you can get that perfect, like, round deep smile line. So it's a personal preference. Maybe you like a lesser deep, if you call it like that, a lesser deep smile line, you can also do that. But I like this smile line to be deep, especially if the nails are really short. I just think it's really clean. And yeah, I'm shaping the nails. I'm shaping the nail bed with the light salmon, and as you can see, I'm just scraping the excess acrylic off and dabbing at the cuticle area so we can get that clean cuticle application. If you didn't see my video of my cuticle application yet, I'll put the link for you guys in the description box below, so you can see how to get the perfect cuticle application. And yeah, you guys, I will just let you see what I'm doing. I wanted to thank you guys so much again for entering my giveaway. I really appreciate it. I just didn't expect that much people will enter my giveaway, so I will be trying to do a giveaway at every 5k that we will reach. So I will be doing a giveaway again at 35k for you guys, because you have commented so much beautiful things that I really want to help you guys out with some nail goodies. So I'm going to try my best to do it every 5k that we reach. So we will be doing a giveaway again at 35k, so don't forget to share it with your family and friends, so we will be getting at a 35k. So this is how they look after forming the nail bed. And you guys, make sure you measure the nail bed, so both of the nails on both hands are the same length, and the same length, so you don't have crooked nails. At one hand you have long nail beds, and on the other hand you have short nail beds. You don't want that, so make sure you measure them side to side to see, and so you can fix that when the other hand or the other nail bed is still wet. So yeah, you guys, now I'm applying the white acrylic. And don't mind if you're applying this messy, because the nail bed is already perfect shaped, so don't mind. It's not a big deal if you apply the acrylic on the nail bed, because we will be filing that away later. So don't mind if you're applying it messy, because we will be fixing that. Okay, so now I'm using my medium grit bit to get the excess acrylic off and also smooth the nails and shape the nails. And as you can see, we will get all the excess dirty looking acrylic off. We are getting the nails neat and clean, and you will get that perfect smile line that we have created at the first step of creating the nail bed. So don't mind applying the white acrylic messy, because when you are going to file it, as you can see, you will get that perfect smile line. So if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate everyone, every single one of you guys. You just won't imagine how much it means to me, everything that you guys do for me, every single comment that you guys leave. I really appreciate it. You're positive, you just have a positive vibe. I just love it, and I just love that I can just inspire some of you guys, and you inspire me. We can inspire each other to keep on going. And if you want to be a full-time nail artist, if you want to do it for a hobby, just keep on doing your thing. You will learn it, and practice makes perfect, as I say always. You guys, don't mind your little mistakes, you will learn from it. Thank you so much. If you're still here watching with me, comment a white hearted emoji in the comments below, so I know that you are still here. And if you are not subscribed yet, girl, this is a safe environment. As you can see, we are lit, we are making some bump nails, we are learning some tips and tricks. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell, so you are the first one to know when I post the next time. So next, I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area to get that nice and clean cuticle look. Now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape and to get into the corners to get those sharp little nails. And I've made a video on how to do a full set. Those were also some short nails. I will give some good tips to get the perfect short nails. So I will also be linking that video down in the description box below for you guys. So this is how the nails look after cleaning them, and now I'm applying the Cakes Ink Nails gel top coat, and after that I'm curing it for 2 minutes on my LED lamp. And I like to do that because I want to make sure that the nails are completely dry. And this is the final result, you guys. I really hope you have liked this video. I really hope you have learned something. Let me know, as always, what you think of these nails in the comments below. Oh my god, look how clean that looks. Oh my, I'm so obsessed with clean nails. I'm sorry. I just love them. So yeah, you guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have learned something. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in my next videos, you guys. Yes, let me know in the comments below, because you know that I will read every single one of your comments. And then share this video with your family and friends. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead on the subscribe button, because it's for free. And turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post the next time. I post 3 times a week. I will post on Wednesday, Friday and on Sunday for you guys. Yes, for you. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.